What are the penalties for corporal injury to a spouse or cohabitant under California Penal Code 273.5? Corporal injury to a spouse or cohabitant is a misdemeanor or felony offense under California law. That means it's called a wobbler. It could be either a misdemeanor or felony. That's what wobbler means. If you're found guilty of corporal injury to a spouse or cohabitant as a felony, you can face the following penalties. First, your jail time can be a period of 2 or up to 4 years in prison. Your fines can be up to $6,000. The court can give you probation, and if they do, your probation can be a term of 36 months to up to 5 years of probation. So let's say you're convicted as a misdemeanor under corporal injury to a spouse or cohabitant. Your probation, again, can be a period of at least 36 months. Your time in jail can be up to 1 year in jail. Your fines are up to $6,000, plus any penalty assessments. Let's say you get probation, and this will apply both as a misdemeanor or a felony. Under that probation, your terms will include a 52-week domestic batterers program. That means you have to take a class once a week for almost a year. In addition to that, you may have to do 20 hours of community service. And the court can establish that you have to pay a restitution to the victim, which who knows what that'll be, but the court can also impose a victim restitution fine, and that fine can total thousands of dollars. Both as a misdemeanor or a felony conviction under 273.5, your rights to a firearm are banned for life. That means a lifetime ban. Depending on your immigration status, if you're not a U.S. citizen, this is regarded as a domestic violence offense, which means you can have some serious implications on your immigration status, which may include deportation. Penal Code Section 273.5, either as a misdemeanor or felony, the court's going to impose what's called a criminal protection order, which will mean you may or may not be able to contact the victim in the case. If it's a complete no contact order, that means no communication with the victim, not even liking their posts on social media. As you can see, domestic violence is very serious, and these penalties can last years beyond when you pled guilty or you're convicted. So it's really important to hire a lawyer so you can either work on your defense or find out what's going to happen to you if you plead guilty. Good luck to you out there.